Hi, welcome to my kitchen. So yeah, welcome to my kitchen. I'm here to cook the party jollof rice, birthday party jollof rice. So we are outside now, outside my space. I'll show you guys. Yeah, I'm making party jollof rice today. I'm washing the chicken right now. After that, I'll spice it, and then the cooking starts. So let's go. In case it's your first time, my name is Shisom Udezu, a mob vlogger based in Pakistan. Please, if you haven't subscribed, I beg you in the name of God, please do so. Like, comment, share. Yeah. Hey. So guys, this is the amount of chicken that I'll be using. It's so big, and this is the chicken I'll be using. The onions is already in there, so I'm about to spice it right now. Yeah, spicy with all these ingredients here. So let's continue the cooking. So guys, I'm done spicing the chicken, so I have to turn it now with this spoon, then let it boil before adding water to it. Yeah, I'll let it come to boil before adding water to it. So the chicken is now boiling. Yeah, when it comes to boil, I will now add water and check if I'm to add salt again. I'll check. I just added salt. Just added salt. I think the chicken is done, so I have to remove it from the water and start frying it. Yeah, the chicken is done. Like done. I'm frying the chicken right now. Hey, to cook noise. So I'm frying the chicken. Yeah. Guys, I'm tired already. I'm tired. I'm still frying the chicken. After frying the chicken, I'll just fry the tomato and go and rice. Then it's currently after 12 p.m. If I finish frying the tomato, I'll go and rest for a while. I'm cooking soup. I'm cooking onubu soup for my shop. Yeah. But I'll go and rest. Then by 4 p.m. because the party is 10 o'clock in the night. Then by 4 p.m. I'll start cooking the rice. So I'll still show you guys when I'm frying the tomato. Then 4 p.m. I'll start cooking the rice. Yeah. If I've watched to this point, please subscribe if you haven't. Help me share this video, like, comment, and everything. And God will continue to bless you. Amen. So I'm done frying the meat. Yeah, I'm done frying the meat. I'm now frying the tomatoes. Guys, I'm tired already. So guys, this is the pot that I'll be using. According to where I hired the pot, they say it contains 20 kg of rice, and that's exactly what I'm cooking. Yeah, 20 kg. You see how huge this pot is, so big and so special. So it's going to concern it. Yeah, it's big, very big. Yeah. Oh, stay here. The time is after 1 p.m. and I'm still here. It's shock to cook. It's not easy, I swear. To cook, all those caterers are trying. It's not easy to cook. But currently I'm frying the tomatoes. Yeah, after frying the tomato, I think everything is already done. Yeah, everything is already done. So guys, today has been tough for us. So we made, my husband made a egusi soup and the ofa. Yeah, this is the ofa. This is the egusi soup. And also, I'm cooking onugbu soup inside my caution. Yeah, I'm making onugbu soup. We're almost done. Almost done. Yeah, still waiting for time. When it's 4, so I'm still waiting for time. Not we. I'm still waiting for 4 p.m. so that I can start cooking the rice. Yeah. So guys, you people should not mind how everywhere is looking like because we cooked a lot of food today. My husband made stew, ofa stew, egusi soup, and also onugbu soup. And I'm also making onugbu soup for my shop. Then we still made the party jollof rice for the birthday party. Like everywhere is so scattered, but never mind. We will still arrange it. Yeah, we will still arrange it. So guys, I'm about to start cooking the rice. Yeah, I'm about to start cooking. It's already 4 p.m. here, so let's start. Paprika powder, my pepper and the not cube. This is the only thing I'll be adding now because other things have entered. This is the rice, so already washed. So guys, I'm about to pour the rice into the pot. As you can see, the chicken stock is already boiling. So I'm about to pour the rice into the pot. perceive the aroma that's coming out from here. Our party jollof rice is ready. 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 Okay guys, I'm done cooking for today. Praise be to God. So I'm done cooking the party jollof rice. Right now I'm about to go upstairs, shower and lie down. Then when I wake up, I'll prepare for the patty. Thank you for watching. Thank you for commenting. Thank you for your share. God bless you all. I love you and see you on my next video. Bye.